He has hypoplastic left heart syndrome. What that means is he was born with essentially half a heart. His left ventricle did not develop. With his heart condition, I was told that he might not make it. So hearing his heartbeat and being at this point is just a miracle in itself. I have a total of 4 children, one of them not being with us. And ever since then, I've wanted to make sure that I appreciate and, pay attention to every single moment. As soon as I found out about his heart condition during my pregnancy, that just solidified that feeling for me, and I wanted to make sure that I treasured every little moment that I have with him.